Hello Group 201, this is weekly feedback video number 3, and today I'm just going to review some important points from the activities in the book that we worked on this week. So first I'm going to talk about microprocessors. We had a bit of reading about that in your American Headway textbook. So microprocessors, just to recap, are small pieces of silicon that have been printed with transistors and form the heart of any computer or smart device, so like your laptop or your phone or anything like that. Those involve microprocessors. They function by turning on and off billions of times per second to relay electronic signals, and that allows the device to communicate with the other parts and function overall. That being said, I also want to talk about, from that same page in the workbook, I want to talk about noun phrases. So these are phrases where the entire phrase functions as a noun. So in the past, I believe we have talked about verb phrases, where it's a verb that consists of multiple words, and altogether that phrase functions as the verb of the sentence. Well, this is the same idea, but now we're talking about nouns. So again, this would be, instead of just one word functioning as the noun, like person, dog, etc. of the sentence, well, we have multiple words, and altogether they're a phrase, and that phrase is acting as the noun of the sentence. So here's an example. I want a cute puppy for Christmas. So in that sentence, a cute puppy, those three words form a phrase. And that phrase is the noun of the sentence. Now let's break it down. So we have a, which is an article. The articles are a, an, and the. So we have an article there. Then we have cute, an adjective. And then we have puppy, a noun. But that noun is being modified by the article and the adjective. And together, those three words are a phrase. And again, like I said, that phrase is the noun of the sentence. So just know that a noun phrase refers to a phrase that's functioning as the noun, and it can be multiple words instead of just one word. That's the most important thing. Next, I would like to talk briefly about reflexive pronouns. So simply put, these are pronouns that end in self or selves, and they are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. For example, I believe in myself. So I am the subject, right? And myself is the object. So because myself is the object because it's receiving the belief. It's receiving the action of the verb. But myself refers to me. So since I'm the subject and I'm also the object through that reflexive pronoun, you can see what I mean. So they can be objects or indirect objects as well. Just keep that in mind. Now, there are 9 reflexive pronouns in the English language that we use. It's myself, yourself, himself, herself, oneself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. So again, easy way to remember this. Anytime you see a word ending in self or selves, you can go, hey, that is a reflexive pronoun, and you can know that it's referring typically to the subject of the sentence. Okay, so those are the important things to remember for that. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know, and we can review them in next week's feedback video. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching.